Okay, I guess it started. For those who don't know me, I will give you a small intro about myself and what I do generally. See, friends, I am Amrit Kumar Tripathi. I am a junior BIM electrical engineer and working in the industry since 1.5 years. And I have another YouTube channel by my name Amrit Kumar Tripathi, and this is the very first channel I'm dedicated to only teach BIM, Revit and other BIM softwares. As the name suggests, BIM basics and beyond, we will start from the very beginning level and go up to the more higher and advanced level. We will learn together, and I will guide you in the each and every prospect of BIM. So by starting the very first topic of our today's video, how to make a central file. This is the very first thing you should know if you are learning Revit and seeing your upcoming career in BIM industry. So for creating a central file, first you have to come to the Revit. As you can see, we are in the Revit environment here. This is the front page of Revit, and this all buildings files are the test files, sample files, and this is some projects you have worked on in your near past. And for creating a central file from the scratch, remember, from the scratch, you need to click the new option under the models category, and you have to choose your desired template. For now, we can see that there is a bunch of templates here. If you're not able to find your specific template you want to make a central file with, then you just go to the browser, and you can see that there's a very bunch of templates over there. But in our case, we will choose the electrical template and make sure that the create new bar, under the create new bar, the project is checked in. There is another option is project template, but we always should check in the project if you are creating a project template. In upcoming videos, we will discuss that what these templates are actually doing in what are the role of them, and what is that project and project template. But for time being, we just want to create a central file, and for now we are taking the electrical template as our today's template, and check it in the project option. Then simply click OK. Okay, so after clicking OK, we are in the Revit environment finally. And as we have selected earlier the electrical template, so all of the project browser setting, this is called project browser, as you can see here, are come up with all pre-settings are needed to do a electrical model. And to create a central file, we need to go to the files tab here. Again, I'm showing on the left top corner files tab, and then we need to save the project. Always make sure that the central file need to be save as. And after clicking the save as option, we can see there is a bunch of options here: the cloud model, a project model, template and library. The family thing is gray out. We will discuss what is family really is in our upcoming tutorials, but for time being, we are simply clicking the project, as we want to create a central project file. After clicking the project option, the Revit saving option, save window is suggesting that where do you want to place and where do you want to keep your central file. So for now, we are simply making a folder. We are making a folder in the desktop. Okay, so here you can see that there is a already pre made folder here named central file. we are simply going into it, and we are creating a new folder by today's name, today's date 5 February 2025, and then we go inside the folder and name the central file, and we are simply name it with a first Revit file. So we have give the title here, and make sure that there is a options over here, and after clicking the options bar you can simply see that there is some options given by Revit. This is showing that whether we want to keep how many backup files we want to keep as as our backup. So we are simply choosing 5 and clicking this regenerate if view or sheet is not up to date, and then OK. Not much to do here, then clicking the OK, and then you all set to go and save the file. So the file is right now saving in our specified folder. After that, just go to the collaborate tab. Let me show, it's not okay. So here the collaborate tab, and then select the collaborate tab option, and after clicking the collaborate options under the collaborate tab, Revit will give us some options again. Okay, so Revit is giving us options like within you want to create the central file, you want to collaborate the file with within your network, or you want to collaborate with your cloud members. So in our case we just simply choose the within our network, and then OK. Remember, the cloud options is for BIM 360 using the BIM 360 software. Okay, our main work is done. We have collaborate the file within our network, and then we the main thing we need to do is the Control S. After clicking Control S, Revit will give us a message that the file is saving the very first time, and you want to save this file as a central file or not. So we simply want to make this file as a central file of ours, then just click the yes. The file is saving. Okay, so now you can see the synchronize options is visible under the collaborate tab. These three, synchronize with central, reload latest, and relinquish all mine, these three should be always highlighted if you are working in a central file. So now you can see the synchronize with central options is visible, and we can simply synchronize the file, clicking the synchronize with file, and then OK. The file is now synchronized with our central file we have made just now. So now again we can cut the file here. So our all work is done. We can now open our central file. Just go to the opens tab, and then our specified location we will go central file, as you can see, आज का date, and then here is our central file. After clicking the central file, you can now see that detach from central options is here, create new local options is now highlighting, and then if we want to open, then click it. Make sure that all the work sets are set to be okay, all, and then open it. make sure that the create new local is showing here. If it's not, then it's not a central file. So the central file is now opening, and it's opened. And if we now go to the collaborate tab, we can see that synchronize with central file, reload latest, and relinquish all mine, all the 3 options are now highlighted. So by this process we can create a central file very easily. And meeting on the next video, guys, and make sure you subscribe the channel, and we will learn so much more in coming videos. Thank you so much.